A common confusion that many of us have in our daily lives is the difference between mass and weight. While we often use these terms interchangeably, they're not the same thing. Mass is a measure of the amount of matter in an object. It tells us how much stuff an object is made of. The mass of an object is constant. It doesn't change regardless of where you are in the universe. Whether you're on Earth, the moon, or floating in space, your mass remains the same. Mass is measured in kilograms in the International System of Units. Weight, on the other hand, is a measure of the force exerted on an object due to gravity. Unlike mass, weight can change depending on where you are because gravity isn't the same everywhere. For example, on the moon, gravity is about 1/6 as strong as it is on Earth, so you would weigh less there. Weight is measured in newtons, which is the unit of force in the SI system. The relationship between mass and weight can be described by the equation: mass multiplied by gravitational acceleration. Here, gravitational acceleration on Earth is approximately 9.8 meters per second squared. For example, if you have a mass of 10 kg, your weight on Earth would be 10 kg multiplied by 9.8. So why do we get confused between mass and weight? It's because in our everyday lives, we often talk about weight when we actually mean mass. For instance, when you step on a bathroom scale, it shows your weight, but it's calibrated to give a reading in kilograms or pounds, which are units of mass. In everyday contexts, we rarely think about how gravity affects this reading. But scientifically, your weight is the force you exert on the ground due to gravity. Let's consider a few examples to make the difference between mass and weight even clearer. If you lift a 10 kg dumbbell on Earth, it's fairly heavy because gravity is pulling it down with a certain force. But if you were on the moon, the dumbbell would feel much lighter because the moon's gravity is weaker. However, whether you're on Earth or the moon, the dumbbell's mass is still 10 kg. What's changing is the weight, not the mass.